Hey guys, Gabriel here, and this is on the camera because my phone broke, so I got Wendy's for dinner tonight. I got Frosty, a Wendy's Frosty, yep, that looks real good. I got a large Coke, and Frosty, and I also got, look, a large fry. That looks good. Large fry. And I also got napkins. Yep, and I got 10-piece chicken nugget meal. That's my Wendy's tonight. Dinner. Oh, there's a few things that spilled in there. Yeah, I can't really see it. There you go. And BBQ sauce. Alright. Well, I hope we all have a good dinner tonight, so that's my dinner for tonight, and I hope we all have a good dinner. Bye.